Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to use your fingerprint to access your device and to secure your device on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. To do this, I will go in my settings, and when I'm in my settings I will go a little bit down to password and security. You must use a lock screen password before you can use the fingerprint. Why? Because if the device doesn't recognize your fingerprint, it will ask you as a second option to use this lock screen password. Normally with the fingerprint should be everything okay, but this is an alternative way if you have problems with your fingers or something, or perhaps burned your finger and you cannot access your device. So we click on fingerprint. Enter lock screen password, here it's 4 times 0, and then place your finger on the sensor. Your third-party screen protector may affect the fingerprint recognition progress. You're recommended to use a screen protector provided by us or use none at all. Okay, and then you can see here it's within the display, so I'll just put in my finger here and just every time move it a little bit so that the system recognizes my fingerprint. Okay, enroll fingerprint edges. Okay, I will try to show the edges. Why does the system do this? Because of course you don't exactly put your finger every time exactly on the sensor, so it wants to see every different methods. Okay, I say done. You're recommended to also enroll your face and use face unlock. I won't recommend face unlock because face unlock is only with one camera, so it doesn't use the depth, and perhaps you can use a photograph or something else. So I won't recommend to use face unlock. I click on cancel. Okay, now we are in the fingerprint. You can see here finger 1, and I could also rename it. Perhaps here it's finger left or so on and so forth. I can use it for the screen lock, I can use it for the app lock and for my private safe, and I can use a fingerprint animation, and you can see, okay, here is another animation, or this one, so you can use whatever you want to use. So okay, I will choose this one, so it's pretty cool, and then I'm ready to go. If I want, I can also add other fingers, of course, here with add a fingerprint. I hope it will work now. So okay, you can see here is the fingerprint sensor, and I click on it, and then wow, okay, I'm back in. So this is pretty cool, the fingerprint sensor here on the OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.